Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna learn how to create an invoice in PayPal. So invoices are really necessary to be taken serious, because some people would say I need an invoice before I pay you, right? So what you do, you log into your PayPal account. You can see this one is owing a little bit, some money, 400 and something. This even happened whereby we sent stuff to people, then they claimed what they call refunds, and they got their refunds. Then they received the stuff, and some people are not that straight, so they didn't even pay back. So that's why it's like this. So once you in here, what is the next step to do? Is to click on more, then create invoice. Okay, when you click on create invoice, here you can put your logo or company logo if you want to. If you don't have one, you can go here and say google.com png. Maybe you can go to poster my wall and create a very simple logo. After creating a logo, then everything's gonna be fine. I did create one logo here, simple logo before. I'm gonna download this same logo. Since it's there, then I'm gonna download it. You just click download. After downloading this, you say okay. Say cancel. Okay, then after doing that, you're gonna go to what we call downloads, and we say rename. We're gonna say logo. We get our logo here and we say yes, done. After doing that, what will be next? You go and add logo. It's not compulsory to do this, but it's good to do it because it's gonna look like a genuine, not like it's gonna be more than genuine. So after uploading that logo, it's fine. Edit business information if you want to, and since we've done that, then via PayPal share link, we would say via PayPal, it's fine. Then quantity, we're gonna say quantity. We deal with quantity. Okay, once it's done, I wonder why it didn't bring the logo here. I'm gonna put it back. Okay, it should show. Something happened, it doesn't show, but it should show it. Okay, quantity invoice number is gonna be this. Date, this is the date. Search PO number if you have one, or reference. You can say online coding, right? Okay, due on. Okay, we can see this once off, or you want recurring every week. No, this is once off. Then we're gonna say bill to. You're gonna put in an email, customer, add customer email. We're gonna say Java West 56 at gmail.com. This is a PayPal client, which is gonna be good. So let me leave it here. I'm gonna say, leave it like the way it is. No, let me see. I wanna change the email address anyway. Edit bill to. I want to change the email address to be this, Java West 5, and I save. Once I've saved, it's fine. I go back here and I select my quantity. It's gonna be quantity, which is gonna be 1. Add text, whatever. If you want somebody, you wanna put discount, whatever. If you don't want to do anything, leave it like that. Shipping, no, there's no shipping on this. Whatever you add is gonna come there. item name is gonna be PHP code. Okay. Description, enter description, say PHP script for automation. Right. Text, if you want to put a text, if I want to add a text like which percentage, you say I'm gonna use VAT, then percentage should be 15%, depends on your country. If you wanna add text, then I say okay. Right, what is your price? Okay, VAT, you have already saved a text with this name to edit your list. Okay, just save. It's okay, or cancel, that's fine. Okay, why is it saying this? Okay, price, quantity price is gonna be maybe 500 US dollars. Anyway, don't forget to select the country's money. If you want to leave it in US dollars. If you want, you can select your country. If your country is here, if it's not here, I'm sorry. PHP Philippines. Okay, so if you're looking for Philippines, Filipino money, US dollars, British pound, whatever you want, Canadian pound, dollars, you can Czech Republic, whatever, any country you want, you can select any country. Maybe you want to charge a person in euros, you check in euros, and you can see this is 15%. I really messed up. I got to delete that. I deleted the first one. Remember, even the second one, this one, we're gonna delete it. Why? Because we made a mistake here. That's why it was telling us you gave a text already, so I skipped. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give 15% to this text. Right, this is gonna be 500, one item. Then you say PHP coding. Okay, PHP script for automation. Right, once you've done that, then it's simply easy. As I'm sure our thing is done. Do you have a discount? I don't have a discount. Remember the 75 rands, 75 euros, we didn't put them there, but it is the 15% tax which is being charged. Maybe your country charges that money, whereby if PayPal, you receive your money, you're gonna pay to the what? The government, this 75 pounds. Wow, you get me? Euros, right? So I'm done with the invoice now. We can preview this invoice. Well, the invoice looks like this, very professional. It gives the invoice number, invoice date, reference, online coding, due date 22 March. So this is gonna due this month, this today. And down here you can see that bill to Java West. This is the person we're billing. You can put the information. This is the information why we want to. This is the email address. It's gonna pay us as a PayPal client. So you can see the total amount is 575 euros, and we have 5 euros here, 75 euros. Sorry, which is gonna be our initial tax, 15%. Now the taxes, depending on your country, if you don't want to charge taxes, you take it out. So you say pay or send. Get me? Send via PayPal or share link. So if I click here, it's gonna send this invoice to the person. But if I wanna print it, I can click print. Then it can tell me to print this invoice. Well, if the printer is if the printer is set already, I'll just say print and it's gonna come out from my printer. Right, that's fine. So if I don't want to print and I want just to send straight to the client, I will just says send, right? So if I click send, it's gonna roll and roll and says we have sent your invoice. Yes, so the invoice has been sent to the guy who we invoiced. This is the guy we did invoice him. At the time it reaches him, he's gonna just click and pay you. Guys, I think this is the end of our tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. This is one of the videos I loved because it helps us to make invoices very easy and quick. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.